In this video, we are going to learn how to disassemble a Samsung front-load washing machine. Let's begin. Removing the top panel from the washer, we are going to loosen screws from back part. So we remove the washer frontal panel. Previously, we removed the dispenser drawer and unplugged the wire harness connection for the control panel. In this way, we release the spring clamp off the door hood from the front panel. Now we are going to remove the washer door to release the frontal panel easily. Then pull off the front panel like this. Pull off the hoses. Take pics for an easy way to dismantle a washer. There are the direct drive magnets. Remove the stator. And now remove this hose. In this part, we loosen screws from the tube. Remove the shock absorber and we finish.
If you wish to learn how to assemble the washer, we invite you to see the second part of this video. If you like it, please subscribe and don't forget sharing.